Alright, welcome back to RotoCityTech, and we just got back from our super quick lake camping trip. We went originally for 2 nights, and they told us once we got there that the state decided to close down overnight camping again. So we only had last night, or the night before, and we came back the next day. So about 24 hours to get away. Still really worth it, still awesome. Today though, you saw in my last video that the vent cover to our bathroom that you can crank up broke. So we purchased a new one today at a local store, and I'm going to get up on the roof and put the new cover on, and we'll just keep going with all these little minor mishaps in the camper. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to replace that vent cover.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting, swear I'm not breaking.
Alright, so after removing all those screws, those last 2 are right here holding the crank onto this bracket piece. That is what allows you to slide the arm all the way back and out. And this can just stay right here while we replace this. So the new one has this hinge already installed on it, and it should just slide over the bracket right here, just like this one slid off. So the other thing to remember, they have these little pieces on it. We're going to bend those down, and that'll keep the vent from sliding back and forth. It's on both sides. There's another one right there. So just going to take that and bend it down, and then it stops it. Do the same for this side. Now we just take our crank motor, slide that back in there. That back there. Now we just take this little shim thing again, and it is going to slide right in here. Just like that. Now we just need to go put it all back together from the bottom. New vent cover. So I'm just going to recap. I know I didn't talk much in this one, but when you buy that vent cover, double check the hinge shape. Mine was that curled metal hinge. I think it said Jensen hinge. Oh no, that was the other kind. It was let me go look at the box here in a minute. But what you'll need to do is remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. This plastic will slide out, and then you remove the screw in here, take your handle off, and then you've got 2 more screws here and here holding in your screen. Then you pull your screen down, and then there's 2 screws holding in the gearing of the crank handle. Undo those, because that allows you to remove the crank arm, and now you have a new vent cover. So thanks for watching RotoCityTech. Remember to follow us on Instagram at RotoCityTech and on Facebook RotoCityTech. Be sure to like, subscribe, share anything that you like, or comment anything that you would like to see. I'm gonna install a Max Air cover on this as well, so stay tuned for that. Alright, thanks guys.